how to get a new Nigerian passport if yours is lost, damaged or full. We all know how stressful this can be, but don't worry, I've got you covered with all the details you need. Whether you misplaced your passport, it got soaked in the rain, or immigration officers say, "Oga, no more pages," this video will help you sort it out. Okay, when do you need a new passport? Maybe you left it in a taxi or someone stole it. Either way, you need a replacement. Damaged passport. If your passport is torn, faded or water damaged, immigration won't accept it. No more pages. If you travel a lot and your passport is full, you need a new passport. You need a new one, right? So now we'll move on to what you need to apply. For a lost passport, police report to confirm it is really lost. Court affidavit, a sworn statement saying it is lost. Then payment for lost penalty. It is not free, just know that. So application letter to the Nigerian Immigration Service (NIS), a copy of your lost passport if available, that is if you made copies earlier on, or another form of ID, be it your driver's license, NIN and all that. So you have to resend passport photos, a guarantor form signed by a trusted Nigerian with their passport or national ID. So for damaged passport, you will have to submit the damaged passport, write a letter explaining how it got damaged, pay for a new one, then you will have to get a 2 recent passport photo. So now for an exhausted passport, you will have to submit full passport, pay for a new passport, 2 recent passport photos, then write an application requesting for a new passport. Now we'll move on to how to apply. The first thing you need to do is to go online, visit the Nigerian Immigration Service website, fill out the form and upload your documents. Okay, then the next thing you do is to make payment online and print your receipt. So number 2 is go to the immigration office, take your original documents, submit and then do your biometrics capturing. The third thing you need to do is interview or screening. If your passport was lost, they may ask you extra questions to confirm your identity. Then after all this is done, the next thing you need to do is wait. The waiting time is normally take between 3 to 6 weeks, but delay happens. So start early, okay? You'll get a notification when it is ready. So the next one thing you need to talk about is common problem and tips. Problems you might face during all this is delay in getting police reports, online payment or website issue, immigration officer asking for extra money. Those are the problems you might face. So how to make it easy is for you to start the process early. Don't wait till last minute. Make sure all your documents are correct. Then you need to follow up regularly. Don't fall for bribes. Stick to the official process, okay? So that's it. Getting a new passport can be a hassle, but now you know exactly what to do. Make sure your passport is always valid before traveling, okay? If this was helpful, kindly like, subscribe and share with friends. See you in the next video. Bye.